How to see your saved Facebook password. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily see your saved passwords on your Google account. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Google application, and then from here tap on the three lines that you see at the top right or the profile icon, and simply head over to manage your Google account. Now from here, your Google account manager will open up. The next thing is to head over to data and privacy and scroll all the way to the bottom until you find your password manager. Tap on security, scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find your password manager. Now click on manage password option, and here you'll see a list of all of the apps and websites of which you've saved the password of. Now you're going to have to find Facebook from this list. It's usually sorted in as alphabetical order, so it's easier to find your website. Tap on Facebook. Now use your PIN or your Face ID or fingerprint to verify that it's you, and it will show you your password if you tap on this eye icon right besides it. And if you want to copy your password, you can tap on this copy option as well. And that's how you basically see your saved Facebook password. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.